Hey guys, my name's Chris from LearnWPWithChris.com, and I'm going to show you how to install WordPress onto Hostgator web hosting. And I'm also going to show you how to get your first month's hosting for just $1. So if you're ready, let's just get started. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our internet browser, and we're going to go to www.hostgator.com. And once you're here, we're just going to click on web hosting in the top left. And on this page, we'll see the 3 different plans that Hostgator will offer us. We have the hatchling plan, the baby plan, or the business plan. In my honest opinion, the business plan does come with additional add-ons that I don't think we're going to need. So this leaves it between the hatchling plan and the baby plan. The difference between these 2 plans is the hatchling plan allows us to have a single domain and the baby plan allows us to have unlimited domains. This basically means that the hatchling plan allows us to have 1 website and the baby plan allows us to have as many websites as we like. Once you've decided which plan you're going to choose, just click sign up now. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go for the hatchling plan. So that's going to bring you to this page here, and this is where we're going to register our new domain name for our website. So you just want to type whatever you want your domain name to be in this box here. I'm just going to call mine LearnWP with Chris. Once you've typed your domain name, you can choose your extension using this drop down menu. By extension, I mean if you want it to end with .com or something else. For this example, I'm going to use .com, so my website is going to be called learnwpwithchris.com. So once you've added your domain name, it's going to pop up and say if it's available or not. If it comes up saying added primary, that means it's available. But if it comes up saying unavailable, then you're going to need to choose something else for your domain name. Once you've added your domain name, you can check any other domain extensions you want to buy as well at the same time, but I'm just going to buy the one. Then once we have chosen the domain names we're going to purchase, underneath it will say Domain Privacy Protection. This is totally optional. I usually just uncheck the box, but if you want to keep it checked, it will be added to your bill. Once you're happy with your domain name, you can just scroll down to the next section called Choose a Hosting Plan. Just double check your package type is correct. As you can see, I picked hatchling, and this is correct. If you click here on billing cycle, you can decide how often you want to pay for your hosting. You do save a bit more money if you buy it more than 12 months at one go, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go for 1 month. Next is where you can choose your username and security pin for use with Hostgator. Under that, it's going to ask for your general billing information. So this is where you enter your name, address, and email. Once you've done that, on the right hand side, you can choose whether to pay by credit card or by PayPal. Underneath that, you're going to see add additional services. I personally just uncheck all of these, but you can have a read through them to see if any interest you. So if we scroll down, we can enter our coupon code. As you can see, there is already a coupon code entered in here worth 20 or 30% off, depending on what Hostgator are offering at this time. So we're just going to delete this code and enter in LearnWPChris1. So that's Learn, WP, Chris, and the number 1, all one word. Once you've done that, just click Validate. You may have noticed once you've entered your coupon code, the hosting add-ons were added on again. If you just want to scroll back up and turn them off, it should go back to normal. And now you can see the price is reflecting the discount. So it's $12.95 for your domain name and only 1 penny for your first month hosting. I now just want to draw your attention over here to show you that you get 24/7 phone, live chat and email support, and you also get a 45-day money back guarantee. Once you are happy, then you can just click the tick box beside where it says I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then you can click checkout now. I'm now going to pause the video while I fill in my information above, then I'm going to restart the video after I've finished paying for my order. So if you just want to pause the video if you are following along at home, and then restart the video after you finish paying for your order. So I'm just going to pause this video and I'll be right back. So that's me now back and I've finished paying for my order. Hopefully you're on the same page if you're following along from home. At this point, you can close Hostgator and open up your email inbox, and here you should find 2 new emails from Hostgator. These are 2 important emails, so you should keep these safe. But for now, you should just open up the one that says your account info. In this email, we will find a link to our Hostgator control panel along with our username and password. Don't panic if you don't see these emails right away, as they sometimes take a few minutes to arrive. But once we get into this email, we just want to click the link beside where it says control panel, And that will open up this login screen in a new tab. Now we are just going to copy and paste our username and password from the email into the CPanel login screen and click Login. This is us going to be logging into what is known as the Hostgator CPanel, and this is where we are going to install WordPress from. So now we are just going to scroll down to the section called Software and Services and click Quick Install. So now on the left side where it says Popular Installs, just click WordPress. And then on the right hand side, click Install WordPress. Then here, using this drop down, we're going to choose the new domain name we purchased. And we just want to make sure the box on the right is left blank. So for admin email, you just want to type in your email address that you want associated with your website. I'm just going to put in mine here. And for blog title, you just want to put down the name of your website. Don't worry too much, this can be changed later. I'm just going to put in Learn WP with Chris. So for admin user, you just want to type in the username for your website. I'm just going to put in Chris. And here you put in your first and last name, which is pretty self-explanatory. And then once you're happy with everything, just hit Install WordPress. This is just an advert, you can just click out of this. WordPress only takes a few seconds to install, and once it is finished installing, we can just click where it says View Credentials at the top. And this is going to give us the link to our WordPress login screen, username and password. So we just need to click the link, and then similar to the email, we just need to copy and paste over our username and password into the login screen that opens up. And then we just need to click Login, and this is going to be us logging into WordPress for the first time. If when you click the link, it doesn't bring you to the WordPress login screen, you may just need to wait a bit longer, as sometimes new hosting accounts take a while to be ready. When you first log into WordPress, you'll be brought into what is known as the WordPress dashboard. And this is where we can make any changes or add any new content to our website. The first thing I like to do after logging into WordPress for the first time is to change my password, as it is very unlikely I'm going to remember the random one I was given. To change our WordPress password, from the dashboard on the left hand side, click Users. And then hover over our username and click Edit. And then we are just going to scroll down until we see Account Management and click the Generate Password button. This will then give us a new random password, which we can then delete and replace with whatever we want to be used as our new password. I'm just going to put in a random password for this example. As you can see, if you don't use a strong password, you will need to confirm use of a weak password here. Then once we are happy with our new password, we're just going to click Update Profile, and this will be our new password for logging into WordPress. So we are now at the end of the tutorial, and we have successfully installed WordPress onto our new Hostgator account. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, just give it a like, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So once again, my name's Chris from LearnWPWithChris.com. And thank you very much for watching this video.